This Gotham Steel 14-inch nonstick frying pan aims to make cooking simpler. It has a nonstick surface. Food should slide off easily, and cleanup should be a breeze. You might not need as much oil. This could be good for making healthier meals. The pan comes with a lid. The lid can help trap heat and steam. This can help your food cook more evenly. The Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick pan is also quite large. This means you can cook more food at once. It's helpful when you are cooking for a family. The pan is made with a cream-hammered design. This gives it a nice look in your kitchen. It is also said to be oven and dishwasher safe. This adds to its convenience. You can use it on different kinds of stovetops, too. These things make it a versatile piece of cookware. Overall, the Gotham Steel 14-inch non-stick frying pan seems like a useful tool. It tries to offer easy cooking and cleaning. The large size and lid are practical features. If you search for a reliable non-stick pan, this could be an option. It's designed to handle everyday cooking tasks. It might just become one of your go-to kitchen utensils. Pros: includes a lid, non-toxic ceramic, induction-ready base, oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, cream. Hammered look, easy to clean, durable material. Cons: scratches easily, uneven heating, handle gets hot, poor quality, coating peels, hard to clean, not durable, lid doesn't fit well. Features: non-stick surface, includes a lid, large 14-inch size, cream hammered look, ceramic material. Non-toxic coating, induction-ready base, oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, easy to clean. This Gotham Steel frying pan is large, measuring 14 inches, and comes with a lid. It has a cream color with a hammered design. The pan has a non-stick surface made of ceramic, which is non-toxic. It can be used on all types of stoves, including induction. You can also put it in the oven and dishwasher. The non-stick coating helps food slide off easily, making it simple to clean. This Gotham Steel 14-inch frying pan with a lid boasts a non-toxic ceramic surface and an induction-ready base, and it's advertised as oven and dishwasher safe with a cream-hammered appearance for easy cleaning. However, some users have reported that the pan scratches easily, heats unevenly, and the handle can get hot, suggesting it might not be very durable or of the best quality, with complaints about the coating peeling and the lid not fitting well, making it potentially hard to clean over time.